Hi there, welcome to another video on the Creating a Coffee company. Now, it's just a quick update to say that the videos are still coming out, however I have decided to put it on hiatus at the moment as we are unable to get in touch with certain suppliers with the current pandemic that is in force. I am still developing stuff within the house at the moment, and we'll be looking at setting up a store shortly, and we'll also have a video of the meeting that we had with Business Gateway coming up in the future once the videos are back on track for developing the company further, once this pandemic has kind of hit the lower end of the curve. So with all that being said, I do appreciate your patience, and until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.